So what are UTM parameters in Google Analytics reports? So first, let's do a quick overview of a UTM parameter. UTM parameters are basically ways you can track a link when it points to your website. So what you do is you add extra characters to the end of a URL, and if they're in the right syntax, this information will be passed along during the click, and then the Google Analytics code that's on your website will acknowledge these parameters, these values that you set, and record that information. There are 3 parameters you're going to typically, or that are required. There are a couple other ones, but these are the required ones and usually are best for most things. One is a source. So, and again, these parameters are any value you want to set. So the source, this would be where has that link been placed. The medium, the method by which it's coming through. So it could be web or email, or again, whatever value you'd like to do. And name, this is one that's more straightforward. So the campaign name that you actually want for the tracking. These URLs can be placed on a lot of other websites and other things that involve the internet. So you could put these in social media posts. You could put these in a paid ad and other content creation that you might do throughout the internet. So this could be if you're putting some information, say, on Medium or on LinkedIn or other places you might create some articles. If you're doing guest posting, you can use those there. Basically, any place on the internet where you would put a link, a UTM parameter can come in and be used. One of the things about UTM parameters that's a little bit confusing is you don't actually have to do anything. Once you put them into the link and you put that link on the website, they're automatically tagging that. So there's no additional configuration that you need to do in Google Analytics. Those parameters of source, medium, and name will just automatically show up in those reports. The first reports you want to look at to see your UTM parameters are the ones that involve source/medium and the one that's the all campaigns report. So in conclusion, again, UTM parameters can be set on different URLs that you place on different places on the internet, so websites or social media, for example. Those parameters are values that you set, which cause automatic tagging to show up in Google Analytics. You don't have to do anything for that data to flow through other than put the parameters in the URL. And then there's some standard reports in Google Analytics, but basically any report that can be shown or filtered using source, medium, or campaign name, you'll be able to see the results based on those parameters and the values you set. Hope this helps.